Assalamualaikum. Hope everyone is fine. So children, in the previous video we have recapped the phonic sounds of a, b, b, c, k, d, d and their pictures, their objects that starts with a, that starts with b, c, d. So in the same way, today again we are going to recap different letters with their phonics and their pictures. That is letter E. You can see here, this is letter E. Small e, capital E. The sound of E is A. The sound of E is A. So here you can see a different objects, pictures that begins with letter E. The phonic is A. E, A, egg. E, A, engine. E, A, elephant. Let's see how we can pronounce each letters here. E, A, then G, G, again G, G. If we write together A, G, G, egg, E, G, G, egg. See the next? Engine. So see the spelling here. E, N, G, N, E, N, N, I, A. So, engine. E, N, G, E, N, E. Engine. This is elephant. E, A. L, L. E, A. P, P. H, A, N, N, T, T. So, elephant. A, L, E, P, H, A, N, T. Elephant. E, A, egg. E, A, engine. E, A, elephant. After E, letter F. The sound of F is The sound of F is Let's see what are the pictures that begins with sound. F, fan. F, fox. F, fish. See the spellings here, children? Let's see the pronunciation of each letter. Fan. Fan. Next, see. Ox. Fox. F O X. Fox. See this? F I S H fish. Fish. SH will be pronounced as sh. So FISH, fish. E, A, egg. E, A, engine. E, A, elephant. F, fan. F, fox. F, fish. After F, letter G. The sound of G is G. This is small g, capital G. The sound of G is G. These are the pictures that begins with letter G and its sounds will be as G. Let's see the pictures. G, G, goat. G, G, girl. G, G, gate. Let's see the pronunciation of each letter here. G, O, A, T. Goat. G, O, A, T. Goat. See the next. It's a girl. G, G, girl. See the spellings. G, I, R, L. Girl. Girl. G, G, gate. G, A, T, A. Gate. Gate. G, G, goat. G, G, girl. G, G, gate. See the next. After G, letter H. This is small h, capital H. The phonic sound of H is H, house. H, hen. H, horse. These are the pictures that begins with sound. Let's see the spellings here. Of each spellings we will learn the sounds here. H, O, U, A, S, E, A. If we write together, O, Y, house. 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 H, her, house. See here, H, E, A, N, N. So, H, A, N. Hen. H-E-N, hen. See here, it's a horse. See the pronunciation here. O, R, S, A. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. O, R, S, A. Horse. Repeat again, children. G, G, goat. G, G, girl. G, G, gate. H, H, house. H, hen. H, horse. So in this video we have learned 4 phonic sounds, that is E, A, F, G, G, H. In the next video we are going to learn next letters along with their phonic sound. So as we have completed the recap of A till H. Hope children you have understand. Thank you.